Fairbanks Evening News. Mike Schultz with you once again, looking at the weather. And are you ready for a great weekend? Because it looks like it's going to be that way. We're looking at lots of sunshine and temperatures slowly warming up. The coldest air is moving out of the picture. That's good news. Our photograph tonight, this is snow that was a few days ago in the Denali Park area, and Debbie Dean was there able to capture it. It's a beautiful photograph, but you don't want to see the snow right now. But hey, that's a fact of nature, right? And as far as your photograph, if you have one you want to share with us, by all means, send it to photos@ktvf11.com. Out at the airport right now, our temperatures look like this. After a high of 60, it's 58. The low last night, 36. Record high, 84. That was set in 1957. Down to a very frigid 22 degrees in 1921. Your sunrise and sunset, about 14 hours and 3 minutes. That's a gain, actually it's a loss, I should say, of 7 minutes from yesterday. And our satellite and radar, one area of low pressure moving out of the picture as high pressure builds in from the southwest and slowly pushes everything out of the picture. That's going to be the rule all the way into the weekend and through the middle part of next week, at least the way it looks right now. What's going on across the rest of the state? Well, for the most part, lots of sunshine around Ketchikan, 65 degrees there, 60 degrees at Juneau and cloudy skies. In the Anchorage Bowl, looking at 55 degrees at Anchorage and cloudy. Also cloudy skies around Kodiak Island. Nome checking in with cloudy and 55. Chilly, 35 degrees at Barrow and Fort Yukon. Lots of sunshine and 72 degrees. Lower 48 weather, again, out to the west, things look really nice. But boy, look at this squall line all the way from Texas all the way up to the Great Lakes. It's bringing with it some very heavy rainfall, possibly some severe weather too. While over the eastern half of the country, we have, again, showers and thunderstorms rumbling across much of the area there, and that's going to continue. The overall picture, as you can see, temperature-wise, is going to be really hot and humid. 95 to 100 degree real field temperatures, 100 degree plus readings down over the southeast. And it's, once again, being brought in by the jet stream, being way to the north. Early next week, more humidity and thunderstorms expected over the eastern half of the country, with more possible flooding downpours and flash floods over much of the southwest into California, all because of the weakening of Hurricane Norbert as it moves off. Well, back to Alaska for tomorrow in the northern section. Sunny skies will be the rule for Barrow, Nome, and Fort Yukon, and the same expected here in the interior. You might see a few showers around the eastern sections of the Delta Junction area and around Healy, and that's about it. Over southeast Alaska, we're looking at, for the most part, not too bad. Rain showers around Juneau, but Ketchikan looking at cloudy skies. While out to the southwest, it looks like sunny skies at Bethel, scattered clouds for Kodiak and Cold Bay. And down around the Anchorage Bowl, again looking at, for the most part, cloudy skies at Homer, showers in Valdez and Anchorage. All right, time once more for our weather fact for today. And the weather fact is showing that in 1925, Centerville, Alabama, had temperatures soaring to 112 degrees. That's hot in Alabama. Again, thanks to Mount McKinley Bank for sponsoring our kids' weather. And as always, next week we'll be back with the kids from Arctic Light Elementary School. Here's your forecast for the remainder of the night. Scattered clouds, cold, 32 degrees, the overnight low. You might see some auroras possible. Also, tomorrow's forecast looking at a very nice day. Partly cloudy, quite as warm. Not quite as warm as it was today, 54 degrees. But after that, the 5-day outlook looks really encouraging. As you can see, once again, 60s into the low 60s by Thursday. Lots of sunshine in the forecast. Overnight lows also rising above 40 degrees. And so our Indian summer, like I said last night, will be here in earnest. And things look really good for the weekend too, guys. A lot of activities going on, and great opportunity to start getting winterized, I guess.